Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut templates from TikTok. If you don't have the template tab, I think this will work, but let's just try. Go to the TikTok application and then tap on this search. And in the search bar, you have to search for CapCut templates. The templates you want to use, let's just use this one. It's a blurry one. And as you can see, there is the like half cut sort of button here, and you can press on it template in CapCut. Then you are going to press this use template button on the bottom corner and you are just going to choose some pictures or videos. I'm going for some pictures like this and then just tap on this preview and now you can see this is the effect we've created with TikTok and CapCut. Now if we tap on this export without watermark, so if you want to export without watermark, just tap on this export without watermark. You can preview it, and that's basically it. That's how you can use CapCut template in TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.